What's the meaning of clothier? Clothier. Clothier.
Clothier. Clothier. A clothier is a person or business involved in the production and sale of clothing. They may design and manufacture their own clothing lines or sell clothing from other designers or manufacturers. A clothier may specialize in a particular type of clothing, such as formal wear or athletic wear, or offer a wide range of clothing options. The main goal of a clothier is to provide customers with high-quality, stylish clothing that fits well and meets their needs.